first contact was stock trading I got when I was 16 at an internship at a like small. He was an insurance guy. He did a lot of technical analysis, a lot of chart reading and the stuff. And at that point, I really liked it, but I kind of lost touch with that. And then during my studies, I did an internship at institutional asset management division from a private bank in Germany, a Berenberg Bank, and they did everything systematically, like everything systematically. They did overlay strategy, they did hedging strategy, they did timing strategies, and most of the strategies were simple, like really, really simple. Like I remember this one scene, like they talked about currency overlays, and yeah, this is a really good strategy of ours. It's just a simple moving average of the 200 days, I think it was, and it works very well on this and this pair. And this is our portfolio of different strategies, and this is how we manage the risk. And I was standing there, it's like, wow, simple, simple is key. And that got me hooked with systematic trading. I love systems, not only for trading. I love systematic stuff, frames where I can work with and where I can put thoughts into catching behavioral pattern in the market. And it fascinates me. It really does fascinate me. Like the most interesting part for me is deep diving research for new strategies behavior. Like that's what makes the fun part. Like, yeah, money, no, of course you want to live for it, need to make money, but what fulfills me is the research part, to be honest. Yes.